Ever wondered what's under the hood of your Honda? And why we recommend regularly replacing some parts, oils, and filters? Today, we'll talk about pollen filters. Sometimes it's called pollen cabin filters or cabin filters. This clever filter here sits inside your car's air conditioning system and it purifies the air inside your car's cabin. It helps remove contaminants by filtering them from coming in through your car's air vents. Things like exhaust fumes from the car in front, dust, bacteria, dirt, or for the allergy sufferers, the dreaded pollen. If your pollen filter isn't regularly changed, it gets dirty like this. It stops filtering those nasties and also restricts the airflow in your car. Your Honda service team will let you know when it's time to change your pollen filter. Or get in touch if your aircon is not working well or if your car is smelling musty.